Hey guys, so today we are going to talk about field groups in Constellation. So the word field groups might be something new, but the concept is nothing but adding different layouts in the same section. So how do you use to add multiple layouts? Suppose you are on a payment screen. You need one separate layout for credit card, one for net banking, one for UPI, one for wallet. So you used to have separate dynamic layouts, right, for each payment mode, and you used to group the field under it which is relevant to one particular payment. The same thing you are going to implement in Constellation using field groups. It's a pretty easy concept. Let's see how can we do that. So it's a continuation to the old recordings which I have posted on YouTube. Let's see how can we achieve this. Just go to a particular view and say configure view. So after you click on configure view, just give a name. Okay, and here I already have something built, so I'm just going to add on top of it. First, I'll create one property which will ask me for the payment type, like credit, debit, net banking, UPI, whatever it is. So first I'm going to create a field. So this is called as payment mode, and it's going to be a radio button. So I'll take it like a pick list, and it's a radio button, and the values are like cre- oh, the values are credit, debit, net banking, and UPI. So he can choose any of these, submit. So this radio button field is created. Now based on the radio button selected, you want that new layouts to come up, right? They should be hidden, and based on the layout you have selected, sorry, the payment mode you have selected, you want the layout to be displayed. So let's keep it here and then just add. Okay, I'm going to take a field group. It's like a separate brand new layout. So I'm taking a field group and I would call this as for, this is for credit card. So this is for credit card, and just say submit. So it's like a new layout we are taking. Now click on this plus icon, not this one, and you can add your fields. What do you want under this credit card? So I'm going to have my new field called as credit card number, submit, expiry OTP. Two more I'm going to add. Let's put it as date. Okay. One more we are going to put for OTP. That's it. Let's click on submit. Now let's do the similar thing for debit, net banking, and UPI. So just add one more field group. Okay. It's a new field group and we call it for debit card. Okay. And say submit. Click on this plus icon. Take a new field, debit card number. Okay. Similarly, you can add expiry and you can use the existing properties that we have for expiry and OTP. Done. So we have one layout for credit card, one for debit card. These things we are calling them as field groups, nothing but field groups. I'll just take one more for UPI and the rest you can try. UPI. So for UPI, I'm just going to ask him UPI ID and OTP. I just need a new field. I call it as UPI ID. Okay, and one just you can use OTP or password, whatever you want, you can choose on your own. I just took OTP. Okay. Now the problem is all of them will be visible by default. You want to put some visible when condition. Like if the payment mode is credit card, this debit card, this UPI, this. So please go to the settings of the field group, nothing but layout settings kind of. And you can put a condition here. Where is this? This. And visibility, I have a condition. The condition is payment mode is equals to credit card. Just say submit. So this is visible only if it is a credit card. Similarly for debit card, visibility condition, payment mode is equals to debit card, and you can say it's submit, done. And for the last one, it's UPI. So you can give the same condition like this here, like where is this? Sorry, UPI. Just click on the settings, visibility condition, payment mode is equals to UPI. Okay, you can just give the settings like this. No need to refresh, the screen will be auto refreshed. So just submit, save, create a case and see whether it is working as expected or not. New flight booking. Okay, let's go till that payment screen. So I have some flights here. Okay, I can select some passengers who are going to travel. I can add some new passengers if I want. And then I can select some coupon code. Now, depending upon whatever I have selected, look at this. I selected credit card. Only credit card layout or field group is coming. Debit card, only debit card, layout or UPI layout is coming. Okay. So this is field groups. It's pretty simple. Give a try and let me know if you have any questions. You can WhatsApp me. Thank you so much, guys.